Yo! Wait, is there two mics here? There is. I'll delete that one. Cool! What's going on, guys? Welcome.
Dollars or 8% at $77 a barrel. U.S. Treasury and Canadian bond yields also lower on the morning. At the Business Center, I'm Mike Up.
Which is the 10-minute 200.
At Desjardins, we speak business. We speak equipment modernization.
I'm in a long MNQ bill breaker.
Data digitization and expansion into foreign markets. And we can talk all day about streamlining manufacturing processes. Because at Desjardins Business, we speak the same language you do. Business.
Don't go crazy size on this, guys. You don't have to shadow me. Again, this is risky at VWAP.
Today. We'd love to talk business.
Discover retirement living at Venvi Kingsway in the heart of Etobicoke. Enjoy elegant dining, thoughtfully designed amenities, engaging arts and wellness programs, and personalized care tailored to your needs. Join us for our open house on Sunday,
we are
March
live
8th
today,
from
guys.
1 to
We
4
got
p.m.
680 News
Tour
playing
the
on the
residents,
radio. We're in
meet the
Maple
team,
Stacks
and see what
Discord.
makes life at Venvi Kingsway
We're learning
so
a new
special.
trading strat.
Learn more at venvikingsway.ca. That's VENVI Kingsway.ca.
Good job, El John. He says 1K locked. Almost passed eval on TBT. He used code MAPLE. Congrats, bro. Guys, don't forget, use code MAPLE at Take Profit Trader. You get 40% off, no activation fee when you pass. My favorite firm because they offer daily payouts and no consistency rule like every other firm does.
Military started for
Trading small size in this environment.
So annoying. For me, it sounds
But I
crappy.
feel like maybe a trap belongs there. And I was thinking the other way.
6 cents at midnight. Empro says that.
All right, guys, let me give you a walkthrough what we're doing.
141.9 at most GTA stations. Time now for sports from Sportsnet 590. The
So
Fan.
currently,
Simon Bennett.
Hey, Charlene, good morning.
we are in Maple Stacks Discord over here. We're learning how to trade the CBC method. We've got 680 News on as well right now. Maple's singing something. It's a beautiful voice. Really, really nice. Really beautiful voice. It's amazing. And yeah, I'm kind of just paper trading it today, kind of learning it.
Philippe Poulet is here with Montreal, 7
about
o'clock
it.
at the Cola. The
So this morning,
since the break, lost to
you
Philly,
have
shootout
this
last night.
CBC
They're in
marker
Jersey
here.
tomorrow. The World
And what you
Baseball
do is you
Classic
wait
coming up,
for
chance Team
a pullback
Canada
on
to
the
get their
3
reps
minute.
in against
Stopped him in
the
queue.
Here
The red and white
to the
defeats
20
Blue
EMA,
Jays in Dunedin at 1
and
on
you'd ride that
Sportsnet
to
and happening
VWAP,
now, the morning session at the Briar.
which worked out
The
pretty
Cooley
nice.
brothers
If they flip it,
Jamie
that gets short green.
Jamie 4-1 in the 7th. Kevin, one of 4 unbeatens
Like
left.
80 points, I
Sports
guess.
at 15 and 45 past every hour or any time
that's
at
not bad at all.
sportsnet.ca.
Abbey Road Studios have them, and now you can
So
have
now
them too.
I'm waiting for
I'm
another
talking about
CBC on the
Bowers
10
10-minute
minute. This is the
green on
10,
gold.
including the hard-to-find
and this is the 3.
800
Let me know if
series
there's too many
Abbey Road
voices, by the
Limited
way.
I should have just re-shorted their fake out. This is still the 10-minute candle or second 10-minute candle green.
80th anniversary, doing what we've always done, turning living rooms into concert halls. One customer.
I'm gonna
at
get
a
on my
time.
glasses too. Bro, I've been so tired lately. I've been just exhausted.
Gold short ladder.
Lave asleep adjustable bed because it's a better bed. Better
Let
than
me
your
try
flat
the
bed.
chat here. I
Better
want
than
to
your
make sure it's
"My
working.
back hurts" bed. Better than your squeaky springs bed.
And YouTube, where's YouTube?
A Lave asleep adjustable bed is better.
Where? There it is.
Gravity setting gives
Okay,
you
it's
the
15-point gain on the ladder. Covered half.
things interesting. Better your love life when you better your bed with a Lave asleep adjustable bed. Visit one of our 6.
I believe he's
Lave Asleep
shorting
showrooms
gold.
on
Oh, yeah. Yep.
680 News Time, 9:49.
The Canadian Embassy to the Dominican Republic says Canadians.
Yeah, so like first one I'll do full size, second one half, third ladder, quarter.
There is no word on how many Canadians were on the
Dude, I'm about to get 100 points on this gold. It's just one micro, but that's
Travelers
stupid.
From the airport to their resort when it crashed, killing 2 people.
So to
and
mark
injuring
how this
13
one would
others.
be,
Local media reports the
here's
2
your
people killed are
CBC
foreign
flip.
nationals, but their identities have not been
and then
released.
where's that over there?
Yeah, I'll do it on a like on another account though, because like I really like it's a love-hate relationship with copy trading for me.
It's not perfect.
You know, I've had issues with like TPT and like you know, them flagging like counter trend trading because orders were lagging or whatever it may be, losing not PAs but funded accounts unnecessarily. So like I'll just go from account to account to account, knocking, you know, multiple birds out, one stone, same trade, same thesis. But
Test. Augment test.
sometimes I can get caught up in some trouble too. Just like
What's
any
going
other
on, bro? How
system.
are you this morning? What are you
There you
trading?
go, 100-point gain in MGC. I'm all out. That's stupid as fuck. Stupid, bro. Stupid as fuck.
This is what Maple's trading over here. I'll show you that for a second.
Look at the ladder, bro. Ladder's nutty.
680 news time, 9:50.
How did I just do that?
30-point gain on the gold ladder,
Bro,
covered
I
a
forget
quarter.
how to use Discord, honestly. How do I make this full screen?
Dude, this is fucking free money falling out of the
Oh,
sky.
you hit the full screen button. Just watch today. I love Maple's in his Discord. for a
Like,
while.
yeah, I
have
took
it
that tag.
time every morning. No, 100%.
NQ. I lost like
Honestly, I
800
don't
bucks.
really either.
You go over to gold, and it's just flowing, bro. The money is
time's it?
flowing.
Okay. At 9:56 roughly, we'll listen to the news. So we'll do the market minute. We'll get an update. No, Maple's great. That's all I got to say about that. He's great. He's better than me. I'm kind of trash at this right now. I got this little protein drink this morning because I've been trying to hit the gains recently. This is a Premier Plus. You got 30 grams of protein, 160 calories. Not sponsored, by the way. 1 gram of sugar, and 21 vitamins and minerals. Biotin,
Do not fuck
niacin.
it. I'm debating, dude. I like that short off VWAP, 10-minute green. It looks really juicy, but
fucking
sometimes
good,
it's just gonna reverse.
Really, really good. I wish there was like a fast deafen I could do on Discord, so I could. But it's really, really good.
And the
So this
3-minute
one-
EMAs are bullish, so.
Hang on, we're talking about something important here. How do I operate this Discord, bro? Oh. No, it tastes, you know what this tastes like? It tastes exactly like melted chocolate chip ice cream. That's how it tastes. And it's fucking delicious. You get 30 grams. But because it has so many vitamins, it actually says on the Costco special, baby. Yes, sir. On the back of it, it says you're only supposed to have 1 a day. But I didn't read that when I first got them, so I'm not kidding. I was having 3 of them a day. And I was fine. I was fine. Maybe I was pissing out most of the vitamins, though. That's quite possible. I love these things, though. They're about
Hey, I gotta
40
fake out these algos, dude. Reverse
40
psychology.
bucks, for 18 of them or something. 40 bucks.
Probably
for 18
super dumb right here.
The box is right there on the floor. You can probably see it. Oh, no, you can't. It's beside the purifier.
Trail stop loss hit, gold ladder, and profit. Just a few points.
Yeah, that's a bit better. We need marbles back. Yo, we do, actually. I'm wearing a hat today because my hair is ridiculously long. I need a haircut. My hair is atrocious right now. Put a mop on this guy's head, man.
I mean, like, and I'm looking for 3-minute CBC to hold, right? Like, I see that basis of risk. I do not love the fact that EMAs are bullish. But regular trading hours, they're super bearish, so. I'm just, like, coping here. That's what it is. Hey, okay. Okay. 20-point gain MNQ, covered half.
Let's take a look at M&Q for a second. Okay, so you do have your 10-minute CBC flip. Interesting. So this was on this candle.
Golden zone here.
So I guess you'd short that here or here.
I'm stuck here, golden zone. I got that 61.8 at 481.75 on NQ. If I see buyers fail this, I think we see sell imbalance to the pivot 447 and then to the demand 404. Again, I'm looking for 3-minute candle by candle method to maintain. If it fails, I get stopped.
This is my other chart, what I normally use.
Wow.
It's a bit crazy.
If you short green, cover red, bro. Bill breaker 2 at 500. I'll take some off there. 40 would be nice.
I'm just seeing for exhaustion on the buying side, and I'm not seeing it. This is the 1 hour, the 30, the 15, and the 6. I don't see... I actually see the opposite. I see like people want to buy right now. It's oversold is what it's looking like.
Gold is not a short unless the 3-minute EMAs interact, but I think that you see a pump into the 10-minute EMAs. That 10-minute also big lower wick, pivot broken. Set. Ooh, I don't know, man. Look at that pre-market low. Phobo on gold. 3-minute CBC, but I don't know, dude. We already
the market minute here. If they're gonna talk to me, talk to me. Come on, Chris McCusker. Bro, where's she at?
So now's the time to make sure your family's vaccinations are up to date. Let's stop the spread of measles.
This is my favorite radio station, okay? 680 News.
Message from the Government of Canada.
Also not sponsored.
Discover retirement.
We're about to listen to the Market Minute. It's my
Venvy
favorite
the
thing.
Kensington in downtown Oakville. Enjoy our rooftop garden, captivating harbor
Right after
views,
this short
and
break,
personalized
apparently.
care. Join our open house Sunday, March 8th.
I'm glad
from
you guys
1
miss
to 4
marbles as
p.m.
much as I do.
Visit venvythekensington.ca.
The savings never stop at your local Metro. Your go-to for
guys want
quality
some
foods at prices
Premier
you'll love.
Protein
Like fresh
Plus?
chicken drumsticks or thighs, only $1.99 per pound. And an 18-pack of selection large eggs, just
Drink up.
$4.88 each. Only till March 4th. Shop in
Yum.
store or at metro.ca.
Now the market
Here we
minute,
go.
and here is Mike Eckel.
Well, Charlene, we're watching one of the biggest single-day point drops in recent memory for Bay Street this morning, with the TSX down close to 1,300 points, or 3 3/4%. The market, which just yesterday closed at an all-time record high, has seen a complete reversal of fortune. If you liked it yesterday, hey, stocks are on sale this morning, but it doesn't look like any of the buy the dip crowd has come back in quite yet. The 2-day 15% plus spike in energy prices, what that's going to mean for inflation, keeps central banks on hold for interest rate policy, consumer confidence, all of this, the uncertainty related to the war in Iran, rippling big time through the market this morning. The price for gold is down $260, 4.8%. Silver's down 10%. The bond and treasury markets not immune. They're dropping too, and yields going up, repricing the risk assessment on central bank interest rate policy. Hardest hit companies on Bay right now, Kinross Gold down 10%, as is Barrick Mining, seeing a 4% drop for Bombardier and a 4% plunge for Air Canada. That's a 2-day 10% drop for the airline, which has seen numerous flight disruptions to the Middle East. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones is down 1,115 points, 2.25% to the downside. The Nasdaq is down by about 2.25% as well. Some of the hardest hit companies, and anything to do with computer chips and microprocessing power. Intel is down by 6%. Caterpillar's down 4.5%. Goldman Sachs down 4.33%, and Boeing down by 3%. The Canadian dollar down 1/3% right now, 72.82 at the Business Center. I'm Mike Uppel.
3 key severance.
All right. There's your Market Minute. Yeah, every 26 and 56, we'll give a tune into that.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Rod? Oh, fuck, dude. Is that another short?
Okay. Play a little bit of music.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. I thought you were talking about totally.
All right, Og. Are you working today? Hacks is working. That sucks, bro. Hopefully it's an easy day for you.
But yeah, go check out Lucid Trading. I know a lot of you guys are on the Apex. There's nothing wrong with that, but Lucid is solid, okay? Quick payouts. You're rarely going to see a denial. Simple rules. I think I need to short it again. Short MNQ 10-minute green.
I feel like Tradeify is good for Canadians. If you guys are Canadian, want to try prop futures.
Short green, cover red. 20-point gain covered. Half.
Okay, let's see. So this short is actually working out. So you have this CBC flip red here, and then on the 3-minute, this is kind of high risk. I don't really love that, but you wait for this pullback, right? This pullback to VWAP, or even the that's the 200 EMA right there. You take that short. I should color these fucking things. Let's color it. So that's red. This one was green. And then the white will be take profits. So you could go short here, and now you're waiting for the flip on the other side, or even just this low. Sorry, that's not even the low. This is the low. You'd have 2 take profits then. You could do
30 points. Let's go.
First one.
Gold is good here.
Here?
Guys, cover. I swear to God, if you let this trade turn red on you right after we're up 20, 30 points. Okay, now me, it's different. I could do that. I can afford it. But if you let this trade go against you after taking profit, right, I'm going to bonk you.
Whoa!
Let's
I
go,
ain't trying
Jay
to get
Huge.
bonked, man.
Let's fucking go, man.
Does that make sense to you guys? So the CBC flip on the 10-minute
6-point gain gold, sold half.
Into
dude, money flowing today.
The retest, the break in base sort of
thing. Dude, I should never trade an afternoon session again. Never.
So short off the
That's the stupidest
VWAP
shit you could do.
And the 200. And now you're just about in take profit here. This is starting to flip too, the 9 and the 20. So you're going to see some bearish momentum probably kick in. People probably just selling off of that alone, right? We call them chasers. It is interesting though, because I'm looking at this here, and I'm seeing exhaustion on the 1 hour and the 30. It's trying to delete it on the 1 hour though. If this goes red, this candle closes.
There we go. Short green, cover red.
Down
Beautiful.
here,
Let's see that pivot at 48, I believe. You break 48 and you close below this 61.8 fib. It's gonna get nasty.
The Fibonacci.
Remainder gold.
Let me see actually. Oh, I gotta put the extension on. There, you touch for your profits right there. So that's your first one. The fib line.
3-minute EMA holding here with momentum on gold.
Ignore this day range.
Yeah, that 61.8 is putting in work here.
On NQ, it doesn't really mean anything. Sorry, I'm still a little bit sick, guys. I might sound a little bit stuffed up. Yeah, QQQ's day range is more accurate. It's only about 48%, so we do have a lot more range.
Dude, my fish are dicks.
What?
Oh, my bad. Dude, no, they're dicks. They're fighting each other. If you're gonna get cichlids, don't get cichlids. Just.
What'd you guys have for breakfast, man? I'm fucking starving. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm actually so hungry right now. So I'm on this protein grind, right? So I just had one of these guys.
A menace,
I might
bro.
have a protein. Well, I guess all yogurt is protein, but I might have a little yogurt. I don't have anything because I just woke up way late, bro.
Oh yeah, yep. They had the fish, dude. They had the fish tanks.
Eat,
they had
man.
the McDonald's.
I'm starving, dude.
Yep.
I'm starving. When's your break? Don't you get a break?
All right, hold on. I gotta feed my fish because they're being dicks.
gonna take a break, bro. I'm gonna have a yogurt here in a second, maybe a protein bar. And that'll put me at 30, 18, and 20. 30, 18, and 20. What is that? My protein goal is roughly 150. 145 to 165. What did I say? 30, 20, and 18. Put me at 68 grams for today. Right? Yeah. You don't get breaks? This place is a prison.
Getting another ladder
These
here.
are the bars, right?
10-minute EMA, 3-minute EMA. Take another short ladder MNQ here on the EMA. High risk.
I feel like this is a bit loud. Oh, it's over 100%. We're gonna go 90. Okay, guys, I'm gonna run and grab a yogurt real quick. I'll pop this on full screen, and I'm gonna refill.
There's 20 points, covered half on the ladder.
Like 20 seconds.
You guys may be like, why is Maple still taking profit at 20 points? It's moving so fast, right? Guys, imagine they give me 20 points. I don't take it because I'm being greedy. And then it rips the high of day, right? You know how stupid I would be? Look at that. 40-point gain on the ladder. Covered a quarter. I did scalp along, Frank. I just feel like after a pivot break, we see 10-minute 9 EMA. So that's what I'm waiting on. I think the 3-minute could hold momentum here, but it's moving so fast. I don't want to get my hand caught in the cookie jar. There's orb low, good scales here at support. For the listeners, you do not want to short support. You're waiting for buyers to stop out to add to the imbalance. And they'll stop out under 48. RCB says, thank you, Maple. Day 1 of prop account, and he's green so far. Guys, get some fire reacts on RCB. Alright, I told you guys. Every year is our year. Alright, RCB's back. 100 a million's back, right? We said it yesterday. We have gone back in time, guys. It's 2021 again. Okay? And water check. You know, I don't even have a water at the desk, Wex. Super disrespectful. Yes, John Smith says he's going to be smart and call it a day. Was green 205, then went red 280. Now he's back green 144. Get out of here, bro. You are on the cusp of tilting. There you, hey, that's NXBX. Same thing for you, man. Get out of here. Or paper trade. Guys, please don't underestimate the power of paper trading when you are unprofitable.
Rocket Catch and Bob in the house? What? What do you mean? According to Maple? Oh, he's in here? Oh, he is. What the hell?
Dump, baby, dump. Here we go. If 70s, 80s fails, you see 20s, 30s, but we gotta see that happen first.
Day 1 of prop count, we green
I'm loaded.
so far. Shit.
Yes, bring that demon out.
That's cool. I haven't seen that guy in a long time. Or it's an imposter. Yeah, right, exactly.
Yeah, Doji method here for sure. I like that tall tool.
I feel like it's
tool
probably
pulling out more setups
not.
from the House of Stacks chest.
We gotta, oh, it's 24 grams. I calculated this wrong.
Guys, I'm about to run to the bathroom, turn the lights off, and just say dump 3 times in the dark.
What?
We need
Actually, it's 74 grams. Let's go.
Some Bruja magic.
That a drink too? Yeah, kind of. It's like it's yogurt, but it's a little bit more liquidy, so you can just drink it.
Wrong way, baby.
You want a liquid diet? No, not really. Kind of, but no, it's just an easy way to get your protein in.
It said lost 1K on a
And when
Funny
you're
last
sitting
night
here
on
on
a
your-
daily payout account, oversized and hit daily loss limit.
When you're sitting here at your desk too, it's a lot easier to get your nutrients in via liquids. Okay. No, last night I had about 15 chicken wings. I literally ordered like $60 of chicken wings for myself. I'm home alone, just surrounded by wings. Everything I have is not in liquid form, okay? And I don't want you telling people that. How are those wings? They look bomb? Bro, they were actually so fucking good. Specifically the homicide blue cheese. Oh, buddy. I should have just got those. Do you ever figure out what the mystery cream drizzle was? No, I didn't. Let me pull up the menu. I'll show you. There's a sauce that's just called like sorry for blasting you with light right there.
Doji method here on gold, guys. Let's mark the upper zone and the lower zone.
Bro, why is it using Bing? What the fuck?
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Crave wings. Menu. View menu. Alright. Where's the... I don't want to download the fucking menu. Bro, what? It's an automatic download? I don't want any of that. Flavor guide, that's what I want. Alright, check this out. Look, right here. 1000 Sunny. So what it does, right? I'll zoom down here. It's like, okay, Kid Creole. That's spicy smoky barbecue and Creole mustard, right? The one I got two of them. I got where is it? I got this one. Homicide and blue cheese. Honestly, so fucking good. And then there's this one. 1000 Sunny, which is hot and creamy drizzle. And I don't know what the fuck creamy drizzle is. And it's only on this one. I tried looking for it again down here to see like if maybe the name would describe it, but it doesn't. So I don't know what creamy drizzle is, but it was actually pretty good. And now I've downloaded the menu, so that's fucking sweet. It's the chef's secret sauce. All right, in about 10 minutes, we'll listen to the Market Minute update.
All right, I'm back. I ran to the bathroom. I said dump, dump, dump.
Oh my god. Jesus.
If it doesn't happen now, we can blame Charles.
So, this chart here. This is no wipe? Oh my god. Let me get rid of this. So this is the chart I was using. This exact setup is what I used to turn $400 into 7,000 in like 2 weeks. The craziest run of my life. Hunter, tell me able to stop stinking up the toilet. I know! At least don't tell us about it. This is the 6 minute, the 15, the 30 minute, and the 1 hour. It's a completely different strategy than this strategy. This is using CBC candle flips and the EMAs and VWAP. And this one, oh, I forgot actually. VWAP is purple, the 200 is orange. I got them mixed up. What I was using previously is very ugly to look at. It's this. And it's using mostly Sadie's strategy. You're looking for, it's a lot of exhaustion plays with reading candle structure. So like, this morning was an awful morning to take a trade, basically. That's what I like about this system, is it tells you when to not trade. Why is this music so distracting right now? Fucking chill. Not you either. So, anytime you see white candles at the open or before the open, like here, see how this is white and this, well, it's all, this is white, that's it. And these candles are white and gray. Over here on the 6, you got white as well. I don't love that. You don't really want to start the day in a compression. The ideal A+ setup would be if everything was exhausted on either side. So negative 100 or positive 100. And that just means that it's oversold or overbought. That's step 1. The other step is you want it to be, ideally, if it's overbought, it's ready to be sold, you want it coming up into the ribbon or onto the 200, this orange line here, on at least 1 or 2 time frames. And then you know it's a pretty easy short, especially on a gap down if it comes back up and all of a sudden it's overbought and you're hitting the ribbon and you're hitting the 200 and you have this resistance from previous price action. That's like an A++ setup. It's gonna work pretty much almost every time. I would take that any day of the week. Same with the bottom side as well. Currently on the 30-minute and the 1 hour, we're exhausted on the seller's side. So it's looking like buyers want to step in. But it's tough to say because on the 15 it's in compression, the 6 is in compression, and the 1 hour is struggling right now to say that it's exhausted or not. See this yellow dot, these yellow dots? You're looking for that. Or you can sometimes predict them if it's above this line here, the 60 or roughly 65, whatever it is. If it's above that, that's when those dots form. And then you know it's going to be exhausted. Gotta get back to work when I pop in. Yeah, sounds good, bro. I'm not going to stream for a long time today. Probably just until like 11. But in this range and in this range is when these yellow dots form, or below or above, obviously. And then you know that you're oversold to some extent. But the CBC is working today, and it's going against that. So let's see what happens. We just hit this Fibonacci here, and then we have more room down to the second take profit, which is off these lows. Maple's probably going crazy right now.
$2, dog. That's almost a hundo.
Yeah, that CBC's good, man. If we break this Fibonacci, I want to see it down to 24,361. We're only 56% through the trading day on QQQ, which is NQ.
Yo, that's a good husband right there. I love it. $100-point gain, MNQ short ladder, covered down to runners.
Now that's a cup of coffee. There you go. Have some. Delicious.
Have I ever thought about doing daily trade recaps?
I hate doing.
You know, I got a lot in the work this year. I'm trying to open up a couple websites and get some more content out there. Probably gonna, I don't know, dude. I don't wake up and fix my hair and get all fucking pretty, bro. I just wake up out of bed, brush my teeth, and I run to the desk in the chonies, dog. So I don't know. I kind of want to set up like a live stream, face cam everything, do some trade recap. I don't know. We'll go down the line.
Come up to the second take profit.
100-point gain on the initial MNQ short, covered down to the runners. 200 pointers, baby.
you're pretty much there. So anywhere in this block, you can take profits on the second target off the CBC flip.
Back to back, baby. Back to back.
That's really good.
House of
very
Stacks.
impressed.
Who hit the short? Who hit the short? I need you to type short in the chat. Who hit the short? I'm getting sauced on these 2 micros on gold, but that's okay. Short in the chat if you smashed it. Mr. 100. Great job, bro. Great job, man.
Let's go.
What are you trading, bro? You hitting NQ or? I hope so. Good job, everybody. Good job. NQ only. I love it. Trade the micros, though. Trade the micros. Get used to trading the micros. The minis, like, it's not really necessary. You can't get any change on the minis.
No strangers.
Bill Breaker 400. There we go. That's the demand I wanted. Runners left.
We're now in the
Gold.
take
Put
profit
super small size
zone.
on it. I'm just letting it run. John, you gotta have that
There it is.
resilience, man. You know,
Wow.
if
I'm
it
really
met your
impressed.
daily goal parameters and you log out, don't feel bad about it. That is where you'll tap back in and you'll start making mistakes and you'll get just destroyed. Yo, what's up, Nix? What's good, dog? Gallus says, I would kind of like to learn about the order of importance of your setups, especially considering fake out breakout, as it is always kind of goes against CBC. Yes, it will always go against CBC. When would you take a Phobo after pivot break? When do you just continue with normal CBC? So, I want to ask you guys that question. What added to the
He's covering a lot
of taking the fake out breakout short right here this morning?
Basic stuff, I feel like.
Does anyone have the answer?
With this question.
100 of stacks. 100 a million.
Oh, God.
Brother, wipe your mind. I've got you, bro. All right, we're going to bust you out the ghoulie. No more treatment plant. All right? I promise. Okay, well, I can't say that, right? But I bet you'll be a sexy fucking trader by this time next year. No doubt about it. Just stick with the group. Stay focused, man. I'm no joke, dude. I saw your stream and I said, dude, that's 100 a million. One of the first people I did an interview with.
Yes,
right? We gotta level him up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at the dumpy. Beautiful. So look, for 100 a million, I'm gonna walk through this. I know I was chatting you up on your stream, but oh, again, the answer was VWAP. Right? Yes, Phobo is always pivot break, guys. But why was the Phobo
Okay, we're getting a
stronger?
personal
Because
lesson
was I
here.
gonna long a
Pay
VWAP
attention.
break?
He's
How
talking
often
right
does
to
that
me
play out
right
for
now.
you?
To me.
Very rarely, right?
I
So
trade
short
boom.
green over the pivot, liquidity sweep, boom. I risk the high of day. Yes, big risk there, right? 604 to 661, 55 points, right? But hey, if you risk 55, you're fucking up 200. Yeah, purple wonky. I love you, dog. You're here like every day. You know purple is VWAP. Oh my god, they're about to give me 200 points. Free market low break. GG, no re, baby.
Oh god. It's still fucking dropping. I'm actually really impressed. This is crazy. So I know this strategy is telling you not to do anything. This one is saying short all day easy. Because you still haven't got another flip either from this. And you don't enter on this. You enter on the 3 minute when it pulls back. Here. And these targets I got just based off of these lows. So now we're breaking pre-market low. I would have been full out already. But it's because I'm a paper hands bitch. You're also at 72% of the daily moves, so there's that as well.
Yo, Emp, you care if I break this down real quick? All right, here, I'll share. Let me see. I think this is it. Could be it. Okay, sweet. So, this is my chart right here. I've been breaking down NQ on. It's a 10-minute. All right, and I'll just go through my setup. You can do this each and every single day. Super simple. May sound a little complex at first, but I promise you it's one of the most simple strats out there. So right here this morning, you can see CBC's bullish. This tells me two things. I can buy long and I can buy long on red candles, right? So if you bought that red, fantastic, broke pivot, that's where you take profit. Now for me, I took a fake out breakout. We can go over that another time. I want to focus on the candle by candle method flip. Okay, so that candle there, you can see that red triangle. I'll zoom in a little bit more. But red triangle here, right? This highlights and is printed. It won't repaint unless, or excuse me, it won't repaint because the candle closes below the previous candle low, right? An engulfing candle, right? But again, this tells me two things now on the sentiment on the 10-minute. One, I can go short, and two, I can short green candles, right? So what is a green candle? While the market is developing, it's when price pushes above the candle open. So you can see here, the candle open was at 501. Price pushes up. It looks super bullish to the novice traders, right? It's just a little bit of profit taking. This is where we shorted. This candle's green, pushing above the candle open. Stay short unless the CBC flips, right? If the candle by candle method closes above the previous candle high, that changes the sentiment. But how can we identify a better basis of risk, right? Because these 10-minute candles can be a little bit wide, especially for those that trade a bit more size, right?
I can tell you.
So I use these two in confluence with each other. 10-minute CBC gives me my sentiment analysis. The 3-minute chart is for execution, right? Just like anyone else, use the 9 and 20 EMA. What am I looking for, right? Let me highlight the 10-minute flip again, the sentiment shift. Okay, so we'll drop down on the 3. This is where price closed below the previous candle low, the CBC flip. Then I want to go on the 3-minute chart, monitor my EMAs. Do the EMAs align? Or is the 9 below the 20? This tells me that this is bearish. Where's my entry? Not an extension from the EMAs, but as close to the 20 EMA as possible, right? You don't see any close above the 3-minute 20, showing a strong form of momentum and urgency. This is where I shorted twice. I took it at 08 and at 30. Look at us now. We're at 358. Almost 200 points lower. So, you know, backtest this. You can use this almost every day. I do every day, right? But look at yesterday. 10-minute CBC flip bullish. You can already tell there, right? Over the previous candle high. Where were the entries? 3-minute EMA. 3-minute EMA. Yep, here's a pre-market low bounce on NQ, 3-minute EMA. So just something quick I wanted to show and highlight. Backtest this, you know, super simple scalping momentum. For those that will ask this question, where do you take profit? Micro, higher high pivot breaks or key level breaks. VWAP, high a day, low a day, pre-market, previous day levels. Does that make sense? 100 of stacks. Yo, of course, I just, you know, I wanted to maybe add a little method to the madness. We took a lot of trades this morning, but they're not just random, right? Yep, pivot break. Maybe FOBO to the 10-minute EMA 460s.
I'll just drop that in there.
Okay, Maher said, I wish I knew what you guys are talking about. I'm new to the world of trading. He's been in the business for less than a month now. He already blew an account and he's only on his second. Okay, I'm going to tell you something. And show your stop loss, guys. I'm not going to hark on it anymore. Dude, look at Doji method on gold. Okay, I'm going to tell you something, Maher. Okay? Stop buying accounts. You're 1 month in. Okay?
Stop!
Let's say, hey, you start learning guitar 1 month in. Are you going to go sign up to go play a concert or like a little, like, whatever live session, live music at your local bar or coffee shop?
Yep.
Right?
I am.
Absolutely not. Stop buying accounts, bro. Please. Okay? You don't know what you're doing. Save your money and paper trade. You can literally go here. I can't click this because it will say my name. But go here, click this, go to paper trading, paper trade. It's free. Okay? Please. I'm trying to keep you, you know, afloat for as long as possible. Guys, you are 16 likes away from the YouTube giveaway. Discord giveaway.
Don't trade if you're drowning in debt, people. That's the best advice you can get.
After pivot break, we reshort the 10-minute EMA, not the 3. Yep, that's what I like to look for, Nix. So, like, right here, and, like, it doesn't always play out like that. Like, I would like to show you an example. Oh, like this. Boom. Duh. Oh, wait, no. This isn't perfect. 1 second. This is also a 3:10.
Oh, fuck. We missed the market minute. God damn it.
All right, so, like, right here,
I gotta
bro.
set an alarm for that.
Okay, so, like, where's that pivot? Right here.
So let me look at this again.
I'll blow it up so we can all see. Let me go to MNQ because I don't want to lose the... Okay, like this, right? That's pre-market high, right? Overnight. So when price broke the pivot, traders might have looked for a 3-minute pullback, but you can see the 10-minute was the best because anyone... Let's go to the 3 now. Anyone who bought 3-minute EMAs, they either get stopped out, right? Or maybe they bought that 3-minute 911, pops up, you take some profit, boom, you get stopped. But this one, you don't see any drawdown. Another example.
Sorry, I'm learning too, guys.
Right here. This is perfect, right? Price broke the pivot.
And my screen is over here. It's there.
They soak up the 10-minute EMA. Let's go down to the 3 now. Where the fuck? 3-minute. You know, the problem with this looks like it held. Yes, and it does. But traders are going to buy that 3-minute 9, 876. Price sells off to the low there, 820. Are you holding 56 points? The average trader? No, you're not. Right? But the 10-minute offered you very little drawdown. If I can find it. Very, very little drawdown. You see what I'm saying? Alright, let's put this back up. Watch the Phobo, man. With this again. Yo, have a good day, brother.
Oh, I'm actually a moron.
Yes, you as well. All right, so Emp is reminding everyone, right? First hour of the day, fantastic, great, fast-moving price action, but now
Look at this comeback here.
you might see
So we have a
bit,
green CBC
of
flip,
a slow change of pace, right?
but it's gonna
So
take a
just
lot
be
of
careful
time.
here.
You're not gonna see that until like noon. The
3-minute
retest,
nice push. I think we push back into the
I
order.
think you're pretty much done here.
Could be a Phobo again, liquidity sweep. In Q. I'm gonna scalp it long here.
Unless
Not
it's
the
finally
best
exhausted.
entry.
Look at this. We got 3 dots.
Yep, yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Showing exhaustion.
I take probably most off above that.
I don't like this long at all though. Underneath the ribbon. Showing a lot of exhaustion though.
Yo, Baker, can you DM me again? Like, bump it up? What the fuck? These motherfuckers dumb as hell, dog. These guys, whatever you do, don't go to fucking DM and ask to borrow money from me. I don't even lend money out to my family.
Someone's begging him for money?
Oh, this motherfucker asked me for 5 racks. Some random stranger on the internet. He was like, I used your affiliate code, so you gave me $5? You gave me 5 fucking bucks? So now, right, you should get 5,000. That makes sense.
Can I DM?
I get it, man. Life is hard, all right? Life is fucking hard, man. I know, okay? I lived in a trailer. My electricity was from Home Depot extension cords hooked up to the power box. I used to fucking leech power from my neighbor because I didn't have shit.
That's crazy. I didn't have it that bad.
No, you're good. Yeah, Baker, DM me. Can you bump it up again? Oh, I got you now. I got you now. Perfect, perfect. My bad for the delay. No worries. Because I'm sending you your, where did it go? Right there. I'm giving you your...
Okay, anyway, I think we're gonna wrap up here.
Discord link right now. Dude, they're playing that SpongeBob song.
Is it still going up?
Hey, there's the money. Yup, 15 point, sold half on the scalp.
Damn, son. Ribbon retest.
I think today's live trading stream definitely makes up for yesterday's ass live trading stream.
Oh, you know what? I'm going to fix this.
We still did okay, but I got whomped the first half.
How do I... Okay, there it is. Get out of here. I hate these volume bars, bro. Because they go on the chart, and then they block the price action. That's so much nicer. Save. On this chart, it's okay because you have a lot of room, but my chart is fucked. You might actually get the exhaustion on the 1 hour now. And look at the VPOC. You could actually see this thing haul ass potentially.
La, 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 la.
Just got a lot of layers it needs to get through that I don't really like.
La, 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 la.
What the? Oh my god. These guys are cooked. Oh my god.
Like that 3-minute 20, bro.
So I think I'm gonna try Tradeify with Ninja Trader. I think.
Dude, this guy, he said, Blue, absolutely everything trading today. Days like today make me question if the mental battle of trading is worth it. Let me ask all of you. No bias, just completely honest.
This is actually
Is
really funny.
the mental
Not funny,
battle
but
of trading worth it? Is it? To you. Your opinion. No right or wrong answers. Dude, Neil Young? Oh, yeah. Dude, don't even get as good as me. Get half as good as me. Right? Like, that's the thing. Yeah, I made 200 pointers today and all this 100 pointer on gold. Do half as good as that. You be fucking banking, dog. So, again, if anyone in your life is surrounding you with that negative energy of like, oh, days like today make me question the mental battle of trade, shut the fuck. Tell them to shut the fuck up. All right?
Whoa!
Just tell them. Just be straight up, 100% honest. You rarely get that in today's society, right? Rarely. Like 100 a million, right? Love him. He had Sadie ribbons and all these crazy colors. Bro, can you post a screenshot of what your chart looked like 36 hours ago? Right? I had to tell him, no, dog. Right? I love you too much to let you go down that path. That's what you got to tell these people.
They're gonna love this.
Buy red, sell green, but it's still a short CBC. We did tap the 10-minute EMA already, so. Yeah, some people are just weak, dog. You know? I posted that the other day. Most traders will fail, right? Am I most traders? Are you most traders? Fuck no. Okay, cut from a different cloth, baby. No one's gonna tell me any differently. No one's gonna take the success away from me. I make my own story. You make your own
There we
story.
go.
You let these weak thoughts into your mind.
Sorry, I'm being a chatter right now.
And,
I'm being like you
you
guys. I'm
you
supposed
like
to be streaming.
submit to them.
Okay, so we're wrapping up soon
Fuck
anyway.
you. All right, I'm gonna just be honest. I don't like the 3-minute flip, 3-minute EMAs. We already tapped the 10-minute 9 also. I wanted like maybe orb. They probably
it's
still
too
give
late.
it. I sold half the position. I just want another one. Guys, okay, so what's that movie with the climber? I didn't watch it or anything, but his name's like Alex Honnold, right? They studied his brain. They're like, well, how can this guy do all these crazy feats? First got to climb El Capitan and all these other crazy things, right? They tested his brain, and it showed that he had very low fear receptors. The man is not afraid, okay? I am not afraid. I need all of you to program your mind like that. What's gonna happen, right? Are you really gonna fucking, lose everything? You're gonna go broke? Not with prop firms. If you go broke with prop firms, you got a fucking problem, okay?
All right, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it quits here. We had a good little short scalp, long, and then the rest of the day was just shorting. You had a good entry here off VWAP, and then another good one here off the 20 EMA. It never broke above either of those. Good pullbacks, like 80 points or something. And then your 2 profit targets, first and second. I like it. I like it a lot.
Dude, is gold just gonna go back up to 100?
Yeah, anyway, guys, I'm going to call the stream quits for now, I think. And enjoy the rest of my day. I learned a lot today. I don't know about you guys, but thanks for joining me. If you guys want more live trading streams, let me know. Otherwise, I'll probably still continue to do music and the occasional sessions at night or on the weekends, hanging out. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I appreciate every single one of you, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, guys, 100 out.
I